As you can see, got the head mostly cleaned up. A few crevices to get to yet. And a little bit of paint to take off on the exposed areas, but till then everything's cleaned up pretty well. I think we'll be on to installing the valves here once I get them polished. I gotta find my compound. Tonight, just starting to tear the front end apart. Get down to the main mount right there. Already got the one wheel off. I had this spindle off before. This is the one that was froze. So I've already had it off and cleaned up. The other wheel, which was this one, it's actually still a pretty good tire. My plan is to put these 650 16s that I have on the G right now. I'll probably actually just put that tire back on the G, but eventually that'll just go on one of the wagons. But I have this spindle to pull, clean up. This one took grease, so it's not going to be as bad. Hopefully I can just pull this one and I don't have to break out the torch and heat it. But if I do, I have to. But anyways, this one I kind of battled getting the lug nuts off of. My impact gun ain't the best. I have a 3/4 inch impact, but I have to run it off the other compressor there. That draws a lot of power. I have to get a bigger breaker. Otherwise, I have to shut all the lights off to run the 3/4 inch impact. But I'm going to switch that around here soon. But anyways, I'll get the steering arms pulled off and the stabilizer arms pulled off. I'll also get the cylinders pulled off. I know this cylinder still has pressure. The other one I think needs to be rebuilt, but I'll probably rebuild them both. Polish the rods up. Make sure the tie rod ends and everything are okay. My lines are alright. This one's still the original metal line. That one has a rubber hose line on it. I'll probably put new rubber hoses on both of them. I'll send that to a hydraulic shop down the road and have them do that. But anyways, I'll keep tearing this apart here and just kind of make a short video over it. Alright guys, I got that arm off. This one's giving me some fits. I think I might have to bust out the torch. I almost got it. Keep driving some more. Just keep spraying it. Hopefully it'll come. And I'll be able to pull this spindle out. Alright guys, finally got it out. As you can see, got a lot of rust in there. A lot of debris there. Right there is the wedge, which holds it in place. I'll put a new one of them in and let's pull the spindle here and get the spindle cleaned up. Clean up that arm there too while I'm at it. Not sure if there's supposed to be a seal there. I don't think there is, but I'll look in the book. Anyways, here, this should just wiggle on out of here. If I can do this one-handed. Oh, I guess it's not going to go unless I take the wedge out. Dumb me. There we are. There's somewhere here where it's not going to make a mess. And there's that hub and spindle. Like I said, this side took grease. Don't look bad. I'll clean it out. Run a home through it. I'll emery cloth that. Back to shining. I'll get this cleaned up. That'll probably be tomorrow. I'm going to continue on with dismantling this here. Got the right side stabilizer arm off. It has this pin. The other one has a bolt, so I got to look in the book, but I'm sure the pin right there is the correct one. So I'll have to order another one of those instead of having a bolt. Anyways, on to get the other stabilizer arm off. Okay guys, I got the left side radius arms and stabilizer bar off, and along with the left side spindle, which I previously had off. That's the one that was stuck in the get-go. Next will be to take off the mount, which will be in the next part of the video. I'm going to go inside, watch the weather. Supposed to be having some snow forecasted. At least 4 to 6 inches they're saying, so hopefully I can get the 140 out with the blade, possibly even the 8N with the blade, and go out and plow some snow. Speaking of looking out the window, I'll show you guys my new ride. 89 F250. Paid $100 for it. Believe it or not. I'll do a video of it in the daylight. Give you guys a little teaser on it, but pretty nice truck. It's got pretty good stance to it, 4-wheel drive. It's got a couple problems, but runs good. Simple fix. So look forward to that video. That'll be the new hauler. Pull the trailer and bring more projects home. But anyways, Steve signing out for tonight. Stay tuned.